Hello friends, Nihar from here, and today we are going to talk about elastic block store. So before we are going to talk about the elastic block store, we have to know what is the block store, file store and the object store in AWS. Then later part of the video we will be talking about what is the volumes, snapshot and lifecycle manager inside of elastic block store. So let's go to start this video. So guys, again I am going to repeat in here. Once you click the service, and inside all the service there is the compute, and inside the compute you can be see here is EC2. Just click the EC2. Once you will be click the EC2, you will be get the EC2 dashboard page, and inside this EC2 dashboard page, once you will be start to scrolling, you will be seeing below here is the elastic block store. So once again I am going to tell about what is the block store, then after we will be talk about elastic block store. I have one presentation in here about the block store and elastic block store. So first we have to talk about the storage type in AWS. Okay, what is the storage type in AWS? They are contained as a block store, file store and the object store. Okay, so let's start this video with starting with storage type in AWS. So guys, I am going to begin the slideshow. So guys, first we have to know what is the storage type in AWS. Means which the basic type of storage in AWS, that we have to know. Again we will be proceed, then after we will be proceed to elastic block store. Basic storage type in AWS are the three types. It's basically are three types of storage in AWS. Number one, block storage. Number two, file storage, and number three is object storage. In the block storage, you know the elastic block store that will be taught in this video. Then let's again the file storage. In file storage that contain as EFS, FSX Windows and FX for Lustre. Then third one is the object storage that everyone know, that is the S3, simple storage services, that is object storage in AWS. So first we will be cover about the block storage. What is the block storage and what is the EBS? Okay. So what is the block storage? Guys, here for a basic knowledge, we have to understand what is the block storage. I am here representing one example like as hard disk attached in your computer. When you see in your computer you have having a hard disk, that is a block storage. So hard disk is a block storage. Again, more than one hard disk at your personal PC, that is also a block storage. You guys, you know, you can be connect multiple hard disks in your computer. That is like as a block storage. So what is the basic about the block storage? Like as a hard disk inside your computer. Hard disk can be more than one. Okay, that is called a block storage. Let's talk about elastic block storage. In the last slide, so we know the block storage. Let's now to know what is the elastic block storage. So elastic block storage, Amazon elastic block storage is a easy to use high performance block storage service designing for use with Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon Elastic Block Storage is a easy to use high performance block storage service. It designed for use with Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, means EC2. Whenever you are going to choose elastic block store, that time you have 6 different type of volumes. So balancing optimal price and the performance. It's balancing your price and performance. Here is the example I am going to represent, guys. You have 6 different types of volume. Each one volume is going to fail, then other volume is automatically replaced on the same zones. That's why it's not affected your performance, and if you compare then the price, it's optimal price, you can be purchase it very easily. That's why it's never fail. The performance will be never back down. Okay, this one advantage. You can choose from 6 different type of volume types to balance the optimal price and the performance. You can achieve single digit millisecond latency. The latency means like as a minus point. It's millisecond latency. There is no high latency once you start to use the EBS. The database workload such as SAP and HANN. Okay. So guys, what is the elastic block store? It's the high performance block storage service designed for use with Amazon Elastic Cloud Compute. Okay, Compute Cloud. You can choose 6 different type of volumes. So volume can be replaced once one volume will be failed, and the same times other volume will attach with their zones. So your work performance will be never failed. And the latency is like as millisecond latency. So like as there is no latency once you start to use elastic block storage. So what the advantage you will be take once you start to use the elastic block storage? Performance of the workload. If here performance is very high, and the workload, any type of workload, there's some like as for SAP and Microsoft products, some work you will be do, the performance and workload are very well. You can never be back down. High availability and durability. That's what we talk about. The availability is very high, and there is number of the volumes is there. One volume will be replaced in another volumes if it's going to fail. So your project is not going to disturb in there. Cost effectivity. Here is the cost effectivity very low. You can be purchase another one. Easy to use. How to create the volumes I can be tell about the next video. So easy to you can be create the volumes. You can be attach this volume to another one instance. Okay, it's easy. You can be use it. Virtual ultimate and the scaling. Whenever you have more database, if you want to scaling, it's automatically scaling as per your workload. Okay. If you want to increasing and decreasing, that you can scaling process is virtually ultimate it will be happen. You no need to ask to AWS. Okay, once you purchase this EBS service. Then secure is all the data is encrypted. You know, whatever you are going to storage in the database, that is secure and encrypted. So guys, it's the basic about the storage type. Then after what is the block storage, you have to understand. Then after the block storage, you have to understand what is the EBS, means what is elastic block storage. Then what the advantage once you will be use elastic block storage. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe me, and the next video we will be talk about the file storage. Okay, then after we will be talk about the volumes. Next video we will be talk about what is the file storage. Once you will be cover the file storage and object storage, then after we will be proceed in here volumes, snapshot and the lifecycle manager. So guys, again repeat in here, subscribe me and wait for the next video. Till then guys, bye bye.